In this video, we are going to be studying how to round numbers to the nearest hundred or to the second decimal place. The first number we want to round is 7.5246. Now, the second decimal place is the second number immediately after the decimal point to the right. So the first number is 5, the second is 2. So we want to round up or round down. Now, let us look at the number immediately after the second decimal place, which is 4. 4 is less than 5. So because 4 is less than 5, we round down. 4 is less than 5. So we round down. We round down by changing all the numbers after the second decimal place and replacing them with 0. So 7.5246 becomes 7.5200. And we have rounded down. Remember, you can just write 7.52 without including the zeros after it. Let's see another example. We have 14.8677. Now we have the first decimal place, which is the 10th place, 8, and the 100th place is 6. Now the number immediately after the 100th place is 7. This 7 is greater than 5. Because 7 is greater than 5, we change it to 1 and add it to 6, which is the second decimal place, and this becomes 7. So where we had 6, we replace it with 7, and where we had 7, we replace with 0. That is, all the numbers after 6 become 0. So because we have rounded up, we now have 14.87. And that is the answer. It is very simple, right? Yeah, I know. Let's see another example. We have 140.0097. Now the 10th position is 0. The 100th position is still 0. Remember, the 100th position is the number, the second place after the decimal point to the right. Now the number after the 100th position is 9. 9 is greater than 5. Because 9 is greater than 5, we change it to 1 and add it to 0, which is in the 100th position, which will give us 1. So we round up and we now have 140.01, and we have rounded up. I know it's very, very simple. Now we want to see how to round numbers to the nearest thousand, that is the third decimal place. We want to round numbers to the third decimal place. Looking at this number, how do we get the third decimal place? The third decimal place is the third number after the decimal point. So we have 1, 2, and 3. We want to round numbers to the third decimal place. Now the number immediately after the third decimal place, which is 4 is less than 5. So we round down. We replace all the numbers after the third decimal place or after the thousandth position with zeros. So we have 2.35600. It's very simple, right? Yes, I know. So we have rounded down. Now let's see another example. We have 7.75671. The third decimal place or the thousandth position is, this is the first decimal place, the second decimal place, and the third decimal place is 6. Now the number immediately after the third decimal place is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. Because 7 is greater than 5, we change it to 1 and add it to 6, which is in the third decimal place. It becomes 7. So where we had 6, we replace with 7. This number then becomes 7.757. Now the places we had 7 and 1 after the third decimal place, we replace them with zeros. So we have rounded up. 7.75671 now becomes 7.75700. I know it's very easy. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Now let's see another example. We have 63.5001. Remember, the third decimal place or the thousandth position is the third figure after the decimal point to the right, and the number immediately after the third figure is 1. Now 1 is less than 5. because 1 is less than 5, we round down, we replace it with 0. So this number becomes 63.5000. We round down, and that is the answer. I know it's very, very easy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be attending to all questions. And please make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share.